integers. Page 68 was adding positive integers, which you guys have been doing since first grade. So we're going to skip that and go on to adding negative integers. A football team lost 5 yards. So that would be a -5 right here on the first play. And 4 yards, they lost another 4 yards on the second play. What was the net gain or loss? So they lost 5. Again, they add, so and they lost another 4. So I can see that I have 9. When I put a plus symbol right there, I get 9 negative blocks. So 9 altogether. We're going to get into some other things, but what I really want to highlight for you, and I'm going to erase all this so we can see it, is that we have same signs right here. And when we have the same signs, we're going to add that number and keep the sign. And this isn't going to make sense today, but as we get into adding negative integers and positive integers and getting really messy with it, same signs, add, keep the sign. So let's get on with today's lesson. On 1 through 4, they want you to write the number sentence. So I have a -3 blocks here, a -4 blocks here, and altogether I have a -7 blocks. So for the rest of them, so for 5 through 19, they want you to just do the same thing. And if you need to use blocks or pennies, please go ahead. You can use, just tear up a little piece of papers and say positive and negative on it if you need something to count, or you can draw your blocks. So I have 2 and 3. So 2 plus 3 is 5, and I keep my sign negative. They get into bigger numbers, and you guys know how to add those bigger numbers. So let's do number 17. And I like to stack my numbers, and I'm going to go 536 plus 245. That's 5. And they're both negative. So 6 plus 5 is 11, carry the 1. 3 plus 4 is 7, plus 1 is 8. 5 plus 2 is 7, and I keep my sign -781. Then we have two-story problems, and we're going to go over those in class, but go ahead and give them a try. And number 2, we'll talk about in class too.